Much better.
And we're eating chili with forks because that's all we have.
We are Sam and Nick Simpson, and welcome to Simps on the Go. We quit our jobs in October 2019 to go travel the world. And although our travels are now more domestic, we hope you join us on this journey around the country, the world, wherever we may go. In this 5-part series, we are taking you with us as we road trip around Oregon. We are excited to have you with us on this journey through Oregon.
Good morning from day 2 from our Oregon road trip.
Today, we are going up 101 along the coast of Oregon to another campsite. But before we get going, we still need to pack up our campsite from the redwoods. So let's do it.
If you didn't get to see Sam struggle put that tent up, her first tent ever, go ahead and watch yesterday's video. It was pretty entertaining. But we need to get on the road. We're a half an hour past our schedule here, so let's go. And that's a wrap for the redwoods. Let's get on the road. It's a monumental moment because Sam is driving and I'm sitting in the passenger seat. This never happens. I drove all 10 hours yesterday, and that's all the time.
But when COVID hit, I was forced to drive. So now my driving skills are back. We're good. Right, babe?
All right, a little update of what's happening. I know we're being a little sparse on the videoing, but it's mainly because we don't have anywhere to charge our batteries, and we only have 4, and we've already gone through over 2. So we need to be very careful on what we film and be very precise. But the plan for the day is we're going to a place called Thor's Well, but it's currently 10 to 1. We should have been here where we're at right now about 2 hours ago. But you know what? We're just road tripping.
While Nick is flying the drone. This is the reason why we love road tripping, because when you're in the car without agenda, even if we're running late today, we still have no agenda. And we can pull off on the side of the road of 101. And if you don't know much about the 101, it starts, I think, in Washington and goes all the way down to Southern California. So we're only doing a little piece of it, but someday we would love, love, love to do the whole route. But one helpful hint, if you're ever interested in taking the 101 or driving the 101, I would definitely drive down the 101. We are driving up right now, and there's just more views, more kind of inlets to go and take photos, easier places to kind of pull off and take your time when you're going down the 101. But no matter what, it doesn't really matter because it is so beautiful either way. You'll get some good shots from the drone, but this is just the immediate view that we got. Hello, gorgeous.
So a little update of what's happening right now. We are still on the road. It is almost 4:15 and we still have an hour left. Feels like this is taking forever. This 3.5 4 hour drive has taken us now 6 hours. Like I said, I wasn't too far off, but we have stopped, it seems like every 20 minutes to pull over and get some drone shots. But check these out. So it's not looking like we're gonna make it to Thor's Well, but we are gonna go tomorrow. We're definitely not gonna miss it. It's actually on our way after the campsite, so we would have to have driven up to come back down. So we decided to postpone it until tomorrow.
So we made it. Although the sign doesn't say our name on it, we definitely paid for it, and this is definitely our spot. So we will see if anyone shows up and claims this. I have no idea, but we made it to the campgrounds, and it is stunning. It's very small, 15 people, or 15 campsites, so very small, very secluded, right along the Oregon coast, off the 101.
You should be here right now.
Oh, it was a little bit of a fail yesterday, so we're gonna try it again today.
Much faster today. Very windy if you can't tell, but I will get this going and I will show you the aftermath. I promise it's going to be awesome. Now that we are all settled in, we've eaten dinner, my fire is finally sustainable. And I know that today wasn't super eventful and I had a bunch of things planned, but just timing didn't work out that way. So tomorrow we have a lot planned. We're gonna get an early night's sleep, wake up early, start a whole new adventure tomorrow. So let the Oregon adventures begin. See you on the go.
And if you don't know, let's go this way. And another hint, if you ever want to drive the 101, and another hint, let's go this way. If you don't know anything about the 101, if you don't know anything about the 101, I just did it again. Okay. If you don't know anything about the one, I don't know why I wasn't doing it this way the whole time, but
it's truly amazing.
Oh, that's a me joke.
Oh, I felt that one too. I was like, I'm sorry. Start a whole new adventure tomorrow. What?
Adventure.
Wow. Let the Oregon adventures begin. See you tomorrow. What?
Let the Oregon adventures begin. See you tomorrow. Let's put a pause there.
Let the Oregon adventures begin. See you tomorrow.